Hello, greetings once again. I did another thing on Vim and I finally got it working. So I wanted to make this exciting announcement about getting the Vim editor working. So let me jump into a file. And what I have it doing right now is just editing, auto-editing index. This is the default file, because I don't have this item, list files, and I don't have GitHub connectivity to files working yet. Now, I just shot this whole video, but my screen recorder stopped or failed, and so these were, I forgot how to do Vim here. So these were not set. Interesting. So if I do R and space, inserts a space, which is not what I wanted. The backspace doesn't seem to work there. So that inserts a space. Well, this is one of the fun things about Let's see, go down I have to, in order to backspace, I got to be in insert mode. But it was a little difficult because I was trying to use Code Mirror. I had a few technical issues. For instance, the Android keyboard interferes with the physical key, this Handex physical keyboard. So it was grabbing my Control-C. I wasn't able to get out of edit mode. But before that, I was trying to use Code Mirror. That didn't work quite as well. This is now implemented in Monaco and Monaco Vim plugins. So this whole site is in React and it's open source. You can go to GitHub and do a search for HandTerm and look up this whole website. Website is designed to demo this Handex. So that's why I built it this way. Let's see, and I added some features. Let's see, add video. So I'll demo that first. See, vid. So this is before I had to get out of the editor in order to turn off or on the video. Now I can toggle the video from within the editor, so that's kind of a nice improvement. So I'm going to mark that as complete. Let's see, test editor. So the editor, so these backgrounds behind behind all the text I do, so that's what that is, test editor. I had some problems using the editor with the video. I've got those fixed. I don't have nearly enough tests in I'm not sure if I have any, because I'm refactoring a lot. But so the next things to come will be list files and GitHub files. So instead of just using this index in S3, you'll be able to, or I'll be able to, and I'll demonstrate it, I'll be able to list the files that I have in a GitHub repo or in the S3 bucket. And I should be able to, at a certain point, be able to edit HandTerm.com with my Handex in the field. I should be able to edit HandTerm.com by using HandTerm.com. That could be a little dangerous, of course, in case I break HandTerm.com by using HandTerm.com, and then I, of course, can't use HandTerm.com to edit HandTerm.com. But I'll always have the other way of editing HandTerm.com, so that won't be too much of a problem. Also, I should have some tests in there that prevent it from deploying if it's broken too bad. But in the deployment actions, I think. In any case, Vim is working, and I'm going to have some Vim tutorial guidance soon. I just wanted to mention that I have Vim. This took a significant amount of time. There was a Y Combinator video that was very popular recently where they said do things that aren't scalable. I had to do one of those, which was get Vim working in HandTerm. very time consuming, not as I think I got the first crack at it working in about 4 hours, but then there were problems, and the next version took me, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. Horrible, painful, but it had to be, it's like eating the frog first thing in the morning. It was something that had to be done, and now it's done. So now there's going to be a mild Vim tutorial that I can build out over time. A bunch of fun stuff coming with this. So I just wanted to demo this part. Let me get out of it, and let's see, I haven't done write quit yet. So now I got to do quit, and I just realized that I could do, this morning I go, a cat thing. And there it is. So I can look at my read-only view of my stuff as long as I'm logged in. So nice little to-do list. Hypothetically, this might become a little more like a task warrior, where you can add a task with a command and get your latest task with the command. And there might be some features like that built in. But in the meantime, I just wanted to point out that Vim is working, and now there should be more rapid updates and videos, demo videos. Thanks for checking it out. Have a wonderful day.